Good morning and happy Tuesday, traders. Gates Adams here with GACTradingPro.com. And today we are streaming my trading. And for the sake of making sure we cover ourselves, please understand that trading does involve risk. Please know what you're doing before you move forward. All right. Let me go ahead and just jump on here and make sure that I'm streaming. And get this all set up here. There we go. Go ahead and let me mute myself. And just, there's my mute. Okay, all right, perfect. So, we'll say an interesting thing happened over the weekend. Of course, it was bound to happen. Some guy watched a portion of my stream and kind of got a little bent out of shape, suggesting that I was trading the Apex sniper system. And what was I teaching that Apex wasn't already teaching? Hold on. I guess I'm on the wrong display here. Let me fix this as well. Yeah. I'm trading the Apex sniper system, guys. I think I've been pretty clear about that from the beginning. And I am also think I've been pretty clear that I am not trying to teach anybody anything. Documenting my progress as a novice trader, trying to overcome some of my own personal baggage in the process. And so if you happen across this stream and you wonder what the bleep is this dude doing, he's not a great trader. He's missing trades. He's, poorly executing trades, whatever the case may be. Yeah, that's part of the process that I'm going through. So I would highly recommend, pinned at the very top of my Facebook page, if you're not watching this on Facebook, that would be facebook.com/GACTradingPro. I've made it very clear from the get-go, I am not a pro. I had to get that to get the domain name. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get just GAC Trader or GAC Trading, which was my ideal scenario. So I am not trying to teach anybody anything. I am trying to document the process of a novice who's got some serious baggage, going through the process of learning and developing himself as a trader. Because quite frankly, most of you, you're probably familiar with what they call the 90-90-90 rule when it comes to trading. Most traders blow, 90% of traders blow 90% of their account in the first 90 days trading. Of course, are those numbers accurate? Like most statistics, probably not. But they do represent an inherent truth in the process of trading. Most traders do not start off trading well, and even if they get to the point where they start trading well on paper, once money comes into play, a lot of times the dynamics change, and usually most traders will blow their first their first account that they fund, whether that be $1,000, $5,000, $10,000. I don't think it usually matters. I think it's pretty much a gimme that first account, however much you put into it, is going to be blown. So the point of that is that, quite frankly, very, very few traders ever get to that 10% of, successful, consistent, profitable traders. And really and truly, my expectation is that a lot of traders don't ever make it past that. Don't ever make it past that initial 90-day time frame. Why? Because it's painful, and because a lot of times blowing that first account represents either all of the money that somebody had to trade with or all of the confidence that the important people in their lives had for them. So realistically speaking, there's thousands upon thousands upon thousands of traders out there who stream their trading with the intent of showing off how awesome they are. That's not what this is. This is quite the opposite. Whereas most people are trying to show off their strength, I am willingly exposing my weakness, because I think that there's a lot of people out there that can relate to that, and maybe they have a second shot in them They want to go back into the process. Maybe they struggled the first time, or maybe they haven't even gotten to that point. They're just learning. And, I think the idea of watching somebody go through that learning process, go through the ups and the downs and the mistakes and the frustrations and all of those things, it might be beneficial to somebody. Is it beneficial to you? I guess that depends on you. If you're a superstar trader and you can, within seconds pinpoint all the mistakes that I'm making as a trader, this probably isn't the stream for you, unless you are just one of those people who likes to be supportive and, help somebody out as they're, learning the ropes and getting started and developing. But otherwise, there's plenty of people to watch that might be a better fit for your needs. Now, if you fit into that category of you're starting out, or you're trying again, or you're struggling with one aspect or another of the entire process of trading, and this is helpful for you, welcome. I appreciate you. I have gotten so much kindness and love and support from some of the people who pop in regularly and check me out. I will also say that the vast majority of the time, I look over and there's nobody on my live stream, which is cool. This is as much for me as it is for anybody else. This gives me an opportunity to document what I'm doing, how it's going. I've actually had to go back in and review some of the game tapes, so to speak, to verify that I do somewhat sort of know what I'm doing in some of the decisions that I've made. So it's been really helpful for me for that. So anyway, I just wanted to make that clear. If you happen upon this stream and you're an expert trader and you're wondering what the bleep this dude's doing streaming, well, there you go. If you're confused, watch that initial introduction video that is pinned to the very top of my Facebook page. And it explains in detail what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and how I'm doing it, and kind of what to expect. So I hope that helps. Now, let's get into our trading day and see what happens today. Oh, well, we've got a couple minutes before we really dig in. Let me pull up. So currently, my account is sitting at $100,000. This is, of course, my sim account, $100,127.50. This represents from Friday about a 300 and how's my math? I don't know, $312.50 increase over my low, which means that I'm about $680 something away from hitting that $1,000 target off of my low. At which point I intend to get my first evaluation here with Apex Trader Funding. So that's where I am today. And let's see how we end the day. I do have my cheat cards up here on my other screen. So if you see me glancing over here, I'm either looking at myself in my current live feed from my feed stream. I'm looking at myself on my Facebook stream, which is a couple seconds behind, which is always fun to look at. Or I am looking at my cheat notes here. So if I see a trade coming up, I recognize a potential setup, I'm going to go in there and take a look and make sure that I'm kind of on the right track. So a little backup for me as I get more comfortable and more consistent with the process. Oops. They got a little out of order, which I don't know. I'll see if I can fix later. Yeah, that is an aggressive amount of crap to try to get through to make profit on this potential trade here. Not to mention it's not bouncing off of anything, nor am I getting my pink or orange line coming off of this low that would be the indicator that I'm on the right track on an entry. So now on the flip side, quite on that level anymore. We were for a second. That was looking interesting, but we're going to go ahead and hold off for now. We've got YM over here, which when I'm not watching it, kind of tends to go haywire, and I have to reset my screen. Again, that's really just there for more of a general market confirmation, or if for whatever reason I feel the need to jump over. But right now, still sticking with ES. I'm really happy with ES. I'm really happy with the way that last week went when I transitioned. So we will stick with this for now. That was the other thing. As I get a little bit more comfortable and as I start moving into actually trading a performance account, I will want to look at trailing certain trades, which means that I will probably switch to micros and basically work it out to where I can do half of my position to get out in a scalp, and half a position to potentially trade should the opportunity arise. So maybe that's what I need to do over the course of the next few days, is really just jump in and take a look at pulling up a micro chart. All right, so it looks like we have a potential for an ETX. We kind of have all the ducks in a row here, and a minor obstruction. Are we painting? We've got the, yeah, it looks like
order submitted.
All the key components. So if we blast up, that little green line is not the most critical line to have to try to get through. Let's pull this over here, and nope. Let's get out of that entry.
Order canceled. Apex does a really nice job of letting you know when they're having a sale. So if you're watching this live or today, which of course is January 17th, 2023, Apex is having a big sale on their evaluations, 80% off, not just on the first month, but on recurring months if you have any. Why would you need recurring months if it only takes 7 days to pass an evaluation? You don't have to take 7 days to pass an evaluation, and sometimes people get busy and it stretches beyond that 30-day range, and you might need to run into a second month. So if you do, then the discount applies to future months on this particular promotion that they're doing. So for whatever any of that's worth. Now, the other thing is, if you are watching this replay and you don't want to sift through a couple hours worth of, you know, my trading day to kind of see how everything went, or try to scroll through or zip through, I do have the Backstage Pass. Of course, this is not something that I'm charging for, so if you want to have access to it, just go to gactradingpro.com and scroll down, and you will see where you can sign up for the free Backstage Pass. What that does is that's where I basically track my day. I go over and evaluate the trades that I did for the day, kind of look at what went right, what went wrong, and keep track of where I am in my target to hit my $1,000 profit level, Siri just goes off on my watch from time to time. Anyway, hit my $1,000 profit level to get my evaluation, and once I move into there, I will track basically all of the input, what I've spent on evaluations and resets as needed, basically all the way up until I take money out and am cash in hand profitable in the process. So anyway, if you want to have just kind of those quick 5 to 10 minute recaps, just go on there and then just click on the button to sign up for the Backstage Pass, put in your name and email, and within seconds you'll be able to go in and not only see today's recap, but you can see every recap I've done since the beginning of the year. So you can actually see the progress unfold in, well, kind of a more meaningful way. All right. Looks like we're trying.
Order submitted.
Let's make sure none of that disappears. Was struggling with some of that. I do have a couple of components here, but nothing that should be too much to hopefully get through. Of course, it's a moot point.
Order canceled.
Through. Now, if we want to bounce off of this one, that would be cool too. Nope. This one? Definitely not going to be there.
Order submitted.
All right, looks like we have all the key components early on. Everything is looking solid. If, in fact, we get a reversal. Well, the blue box has disappeared, so if it doesn't come back, I'm out.
Order canceled.
I'm out. That little blue box that goes up here disappeared, and that was something that I had experienced on a few trades in the past, which made it not a valid entry. It showed up as it was setting up the bar, but it didn't complete. Now, I think the couple of times that I took them, they were actually winning trades, which, of course, okay, that's got to stop, seriously. I will, maybe I'll glance at it. I think there's got to be a permanently remove this, whatever, notification. Anyway, trying to be more diligent and spot the mistakes before they happen. This on the upside is not anything I'm interested in. Oh, that reminds me. Speaking of notifications, I got a notification that I had a lottery win last night. I think. Let's have us look here. Results, orders. Huh. Look at that. I won $15. That's cool. On a $6 ticket purchase. Not real into the lottery. You know, I do believe in the lottery curse, and I believe that it happens simply because people don't do the work to understand how to live with that kind of money. And when it comes quickly like that, I think a lot of times people tend to not manage it very well, and then you have, you know, all of the potential negatives that come with having had it, losing it, and then trying to move forward. So, whatever any of that crap is worth. Pop psychology at its best. But it doesn't stop me from playing, apparently, and I picked up $15 last night, so, well, I guess I'm net 9. Yeah, I'm net 9 yesterday, not net 9 on my overall lottery garbage. Oh, one other note. I kind of got in trouble. Didn't really get in trouble, but some of my videos were taken down off of YouTube because of copyright. When I had music playing in the background, I didn't realize that having a radio on, essentially, would cause problems, but apparently it did. So, no more music. So we'll have some quiet time and me jibber-jabbering from time to time. So, anyway, sorry. I tried to make it a little bit more pleasant and not reliant on my commentaries. But I don't want to tick anybody off. That was never my intention. All right. Okay. Seriously. Dismiss permanently. I'm surprised nobody has had a major issue with that. We got the trapped orders, the little blue. We don't have the exhaustion, which would be the red box around it. So, let's see if it shows. If it does. Nope, it did not. pretty strong third bar sling. Got my little purple line there, but a lot of stuff to get through. Those of you who care to see me, I guess I forgot to put my light on. How's that? There we go. I'm visible. Not hiding in the shadows anymore. Thank you, Scott, if you pop back in, for the thumbs up there. See if this retrace creates an opportunity, or if we're just going to go into some chop. That's quite a bit of mess to get through. So if it does, looks like we have some opportunity ahead. No, that is not at all interesting. No, sir. A lot of garbage to get through. Again.
That's a lot of mess. So we're not going to get something on the rebound here. Not that I'm getting that much of an indication that there will be an opening. Maybe that was just the end of a move. Not quite making a new low here so far. Yeah. I mean, could be trying to pick up some steam to get past those last barriers, maybe. Oh, a quick little jump. Maybe we got a little steam here. Okay. See, now some room to play. Come on. Help if I hit the right thing. All right, this might have potential. Nope. Well,
maybe. Now, that is bouncing off of a level. So give me the blue. No blue. No entry. All right. That could...
Order filled.
There we go. And let me check my notes just to make sure. Range. I think we're a solid entry for divergence. But it's not looking pretty right now. Oh, bounce off and come back down, please.
Stop filled.
Well, that's not a fun start to the day. All right. We won't let this get us down. We have a great opportunity to, well, get some more action here. Huh. Of course, technically this would have been another entry long here that would have already hit, but I can't be in two at once. I mean, I guess you can, but that'd be messed up. I'm kind of in that 2 to 3 bar chop range. So I'm going to steer clear for a minute. Although my favorite one doesn't care. It really does not. It's my favorite trade. It's open. It's a good setup.
Order submitted.
So I've got the potential double TX. I need that blue back. Double TX, also an ETX. So there it is. Okay, it comes back as we go. And I've got HD. So I feel pretty good about this one, if it goes. Ready to close at any moment. Where's my red box? It seems to have disappeared. I'm sorry, my green box.
Dang it. It is, this really would be a good place for it to bounce. There it is. Waiting to get into a trade is almost as stressful as waiting to get out of a trade. Yes.
Order
I guess
canceled.
not. I could still technically get in on this. If it goes. Let's clear this space a little. We're still need that. Oh no, I'm at the wrong entry point. There we go. Glad I saw that. Yep.
Order submitted. Order filled.
See, look at all that. I got red, green, blue. I have HD. This should be a good one. I believe in it. Let's see how we do. Heck, we don't even need a new high to get this one. Seems like the trades you take are always slower. Seriously. not like we're going into uncharted territory. Come on, guys. One tick away. Come on. Oh, come on, you hit it. Fill the order, damn it. Crying out loud, man. Well, if this goes against me, this will end my day. I'd really like to see it come back. Not only will it end my day, it will reset my base level for profitability. Has no qualms about going against me 7 ticks. How about we go up? Still in this baby. And I swear it touched my target. Seriously. Man, you are really killing me here. Such an ugly amount of stress here. It has literally gone one tick off of my stop. It actually touched my target, but didn't take it somehow. So all of this resumed, same entry, again, on the same spot. All of it. So a double, off a level. Crying out loud, man. I need to stop holding my breath. That's probably not good for me. I have been in this trade for 9 friggin' minutes. I'm still trying to understand how that didn't get me out. I mean, if it was live and I didn't get filled, I'd understand that. But this is sim. How do I not get filled? Seriously, 7 ticks.
Target filled.
Holy shit. Finally. All right. I think I need a break after that. Holy cow. What a mess. Woo. All right. Yeah. Whew. I needed to clear my head after that one. That was just downright brutal. I don't think brutal even gets there. But got it. So, oh, let's see here. This is a good moment to stop and play a little checkers with the kid in California. All right. I'm back in good headspace. What?
This does present an opportunity. Going against a hidden divergence here. Now, I'm battling a range where I struggled. I don't know. And it's still a good ETX. It's still within reasonable range. Well, let's see here. 25, 75. So as long as I don't go down any further, then this could do it. Nah, not anymore. Now here, I run into the same thing. Dang it. I really need to get comfortable with the DOM and place my trades on there. I may do that in a playback at some point. I got no box. There's a box on the bar before. Kind of stands to reason that that same exhaustion would be there, but perhaps not. Hell, if you wanted to come down to this level, bounce off of that, I'd still be in the same range. I'd get on board with that. Have a moment to build up a little bit more. Oh god, that would be triple bounce off of the same spot. Nope. Well, okay then. So that would be 3. Oh shit. We're jumping back down to that level, are we? Okay, I don't like that. Really, the only hope would be an elevator, I think. Otherwise, I'm out for a minute. That'll be a clear shot. Ah. Cluster. Yeah. I could do a bounce right off of this. I'd have to stop one tick short, though. That's a little too far. 25. Yeah, see, we're 3 ticks away. That's a little too... Not to mention, I'm still sitting in the middle of this. No, we need a... we need it to come down a tick and bounce off of this level more directly. See, at this point, I'm 2 ticks off. One and 0. Nope. Yeah. Not anymore. All right. We have a lot going on, and we're moving into settlement. So, this, quite a trend. Holy cow. Okay, well, we're just moving right past settlement. So, let's see what's on the south side of this garbage. All right, so everything seems to be moving down, which means that I probably don't want to get into any long trades at the moment, which I think I'm fine with. I say everything, YM and ES. Clearly that's only 2, but nonetheless. Oh, I'm looking for a good divergence trade. Maybe, or an elevator. I'd do this elevator. But we're not getting all of the key components as of yet. And maybe it wants to. It does not. Okay.
Order submitted.
All right, looks like a possible hidden divergence trade with clear room to move. The blue keeps disappearing, so let's see if it's... There we go. All right. Oh, and we actually have a DTX. Yeah. I can get behind this one. Does not take me to a lower low, which is, as it slows down, maybe a little better. Seriously. All right, well, I need to close that.
Order canceled.
Now, I don't think I want it here. Yeah. Settlement here. So let's stay away from it. get down there on another level of divergence. That looked good.
All right, I am considering a trade on YM right now because of the setup. It looks pretty clear. I think I've got everything. I've got, yeah.
Order submitted.
All right, let's see what happens here. Which of course means my focus is off of ES for a minute. Ready to close at any moment. But all things considered,
Order filled.
all right. Let me switch screens real fast if I can before anything significant happens. There we go. We're on the right screen now. Let me move this back behind here. Need a little extra room here, but if we can pop on up, knock that out, that'll put me a little closer. You know what? Let me get, I didn't do it all what I wanted to do. Let's see here. Let's see if I can change this to that. There we go. All right. Now we can see the move. It's a 9 tick on YM that I'm going for. There's nothing but a whole lot of ugly on ES. Let's actually open the space a little bit to see. I still believe in you, man. Back.
Stop filled.
All right. Well, that ends my day. Oh, let's get this back to ES. Okay. Well, that wasn't as much fun as I had hoped, but here it is, about an hour early. I'm out for the day. 2 losses, 1 win, down 240. That doesn't set me a new level for my basement in terms of getting that $1,000 profit. It just means that I've got an extra 240 to make up. So I'm going to have about 900 bucks that I've got to make up before I can get an evaluation. So I guess that's it for today. I tried something new and different, taking trades on 2 different charts. I don't know if it was a good idea or not, but I will go through this in my review for the day. If you are a member of the Backstage, you can check back and get that if you want to be.
you can always go to gactradingpro.com, scroll down, and sign up for the free Backstage Pass, where you can kind of see my daily recaps and just review everything from day one. So anyway, I hope you're having a better day than me, and we will be back at it tomorrow. I'll be back in about 9:30, a few minutes early, and we'll go from there. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Love you guys. Appreciate you. God bless, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.